Take a deep breath. Right now, the air around you contains water, even if the sky is perfectly clear. Even if you're standing in the middle of a city, even if it hasn't rained for weeks. Most people don't think about moisture in the atmosphere because they can't see it. But it's always there. Every day, the atmosphere continuously stores and moves enormous amounts of water vapor around the planet. Clouds are only one visible part of that process. Invisible humidity exists almost everywhere. For decades, scientists and engineers have explored one fascinating question. If water already exists in the air, could we collect it? Today, atmospheric water generators attempt to answer that question. They don't create water. They recover water that already exists in the atmosphere. Understanding how they accomplish that begins with one simple scientific principle that almost everyone has already seen before. Think about taking a cold bottle out of the refrigerator on a hot summer day. Within minutes, tiny droplets begin appearing on the outside. The bottle isn't leaking. Those droplets come from moisture already present in the surrounding air. When warm, humid air touches a cold surface, it cools. As it cools, it loses its ability to hold as much water vapor. That excess moisture changes from vapor into liquid water. This natural process is called condensation. Atmospheric water generators use this exact principle. Inside the machine, fans pull surrounding air through a cooling system. As the air temperature drops below its dew point, water vapor condenses onto specially designed cooling coils. The collected droplets are directed into a reservoir. At this stage, however, the water isn't yet ready for drinking. It must first pass through several treatment stages designed to improve its quality. After condensation, the collected water enters a treatment process. Most atmospheric water generators include multiple filtration stages. These often begin with sediment filters that remove small particles. Activated carbon filters may help reduce odors and improve taste. Many systems also use ultraviolet light or other purification methods to reduce microorganisms. Some manufacturers even add mineral cartridges to improve flavor and balance mineral content. The exact configuration varies depending on the model, but the objective remains the same. Transform condensed atmospheric moisture into clean drinking water through controlled filtration and purification. Like any water treatment system, ongoing maintenance is essential. Filters require replacement, components need periodic cleaning, and proper operation helps maintain water quality over time. One common misconception is that atmospheric water generators produce the same amount of water everywhere. In reality, their performance depends on environmental conditions. Humidity is one of the most important factors. The more moisture the surrounding air contains, the more water the machine can potentially collect. Temperature also plays an important role. Warm air generally holds more water vapor than cold air. Climate, seasonal changes, airflow, and indoor versus outdoor placement can all influence production. Because of this, atmospheric water generators perform differently depending on where they are used. Rather than replacing every traditional water source, many homeowners view them as one component within a broader water preparedness strategy. They work alongside rainwater harvesting, emergency water storage, water filtration, private wells, and other independent water solutions. Perhaps the most important thing to understand about atmospheric water generators is that they are based on established physical principles. The technology itself isn't magic. It's an engineering application of condensation, filtration, and water treatment. Like every water source, it has strengths. It also has limitations. The best water preparedness plans rarely rely on a single solution. Instead, they combine multiple options based on local conditions, household needs, and long-term resilience. Learning how these systems work allows homeowners to make more informed decisions rather than relying on marketing claims or assumptions. Because water security isn't built around one device, it's built around understanding the many ways clean water can be collected, stored, treated, and protected. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content about water preparedness, atmospheric water generation, off-grid living, and practical self-sufficiency. You'll also find additional resources in the description covering atmospheric water generators, emergency water storage, filtration systems, rainwater harvesting, and alternative water solutions discussed throughout this video. Thanks for watching, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.